How many lights to cut through here? Oh, hell no.
A few moments later.
Yo, how do we get into the emergency lane?
I don't know.
Okay.
All right, you guys, probably what, 8 hours plus of driving from the Bay Area to SoCal to, we're out here now. All right, we're out here. We're about to see the GTR. I haven't seen it since I dropped it off, and I'm super excited. Just know that we started the day off super early, so your boy's a little drained right now. Raph has been driving all day.
Tired.
Colin knocked out back there. Good morning, sir. And yeah, man, we're about to see the car. I think they're gonna pull it out. I don't know what the game plan is, but Raph is gonna be rolling the clips. So let's get it started.
Bro, I thought that was it for a second. I was like, yo, what?
CJ, nice to meet you.
The traffic was crazy coming here.
Yeah, no, I can imagine, bro. It just gets crazy.
It was
around
like
this
2
time.
hours.
Bro, it took me like 2
I'm
days
sorry,
to
I'm
get
sorry,
here,
I'm
bro.
sorry.
Sheesh.
Why you late? Why you late, bro?
Sorry, I'll make it up for you.
How you doing?
Good. I'm excited to see
like
this thing.
tacos.
Alright, I'll order
you're ready.
tacos for everybody.
I hate tacos. Alright,
ready.
man. So we're going to blindfold you. Is that cool? Alright, cool. We're going to use a
Thanks.
mask too.
I'm getting blindfolded.
Are you really blindfolding him?
Now put this mask on him. We don't have blindfolds.
Alright.
Is it gonna work? You know? That's how to properly wear a mask.
Ready? Let's go. That's good.
Hey, now bring it over here. Grab
Grab
onto me.
Live.
Here.
Oh.
We're gonna take him a different route.
You're
Hey,
stupid.
bro, you want a massage over here?
Might as well.
Look at that.
David, fucking stupid. Go back.
Hey, where's my massage at?
Oh, there's Jack's right there, by the way. Well, you can't see him.
Hi, Jack.
We're trying to kind of
Jesus.
oriented.
This is
Bro, I feel
ridiculous.
like I'm gonna
Who
walk
thought of
into
this idea? How's it going, guys? Anthony, nice to meet you.
bro?
What's up, man? Anthony, nice to meet you.
Ready?
Yeah. I'm kind of scared now.
Now you know you enter the shop to the super.
Oh, yeah, it's kind of steamy in here.
Young.
Let's
Alright.
bring him in the front. Come on.
Moment of truth. You can pull off
This
your,
way. No, not yet. Not yet. Not yet. Come on, man.
Dave, are you fucking serious?
Okay.
Right here. Are you ready?
Am I ready?
Wait, no. It's actually not that way. It's this way. Ready? You ready?
It's right in front of me.
Yeah. Go for it.
Okay. I'm kind of scared.
Oh, shit!
Dang! Okay.
Oh, wait,
Oh my god, dude. This color is crazy. We didn't have the badge before. We have a badge now. Dude, it feels like a brand new car. This is freaking crazy.
Dude, that looks so nice.
Oh my. Oh my.
What do you think?
I don't even know what to say, dude. Thank you guys.
Dude, yeah.
Hey, thank you guys for all the work. Like,
Bringing it to us. Think so far about just like the color, like you made a good decision or what?
yeah, well, I didn't even know that this color looked like this in person. Just online, I thought it looked like. I could tell it looked blue, but I didn't know it was like this blue. This
Yeah.
blue is like super.
It's like
kinda
a
like
dark.
Inside, like, looks a lot nicer than most
Yeah.
people see out there. This is one of our favorite blues for sure. 3M Blue Raspberry.
Yeah.
A very nice color. It has a nice finish to it.
You like really tell that. That's why it's called the raspberry, because it has that darker look, you know?
Yeah, I'm thinking. I mean, it looks dope inside, but outside with the sun, I think it probably gets
hell
like
yeah.
way harder,
I
right?
don't even know.
Well, then let's pull it out. Wait, before I pull it out, I upgraded all your lighting. So I upgraded every single light that's on the interior. You're gonna see that's a lot brighter.
Ah, dude, I wanted to do that.
Oh, there you go.
Dude, kiss me already, bro.
Take me home.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
Dude, this looks so much better
I'll be like your ABD, you know what I'm saying?
I want to see somebody else drive. I just want to see how this thing looks.
Got your full detail onto interior and exterior.
Thank you, bro. No, we added the dash. that's crazy.
You missed it?
Yeah, dude. Holy shit.
Keys?
Thank you, dude. Pit my ride, people.
I'm just kidding.
Dude, this is.
Yeah, so I think we did a different route than what they did last time. I think the black was in there last time, right? On the side skirts? Or was it?
I think the whole side skirt was black. And
Yeah,
then
the whole
even
side skirt,
arch.
yeah, that's right. The entire side skirt was black. But this time we did it this way, sprinkle it different, you know, spice it up a little bit.
I like
so like it's not all like this exact same thing as they had last time.
It's like kind of
just
purple too.
But this is just
Cool.
custom. That's an accent piece that
Huh? Yeah, yeah. I like it.
Yeah, that's, you know, which couldn't really go anywhere.
This is hard to put it on, or?
It's not the fact that it's hard, it's just it doesn't fit anywhere. So you can see there's like stuff that there's prongs and whatnot right there, but you can't really stick that anywhere.
It's like too chunky.
Yeah. Because if we try to remove it too, the thing is like you're gonna have like an angle to the GTR logo.
Yeah,
so, like,
right, it's
We
not
didn't
gonna
think it would
look
look good,
right.
so we just left it off. But if you want anywhere on the car right now, I can do it for you real quick.
Anywhere on the car?
Yeah, I mean,
Where else would we?
I honestly wouldn't put it on in my personal
Dude.
opinion.
Yeah, no, I'll just.
Dude, Mercedes. Like right here, the ornaments.
Yeah, the rear looks
yeah.
good. Somebody be in charge of this.
Sure.
Thank you.
You want to do a blue strip or a black strip?
Be black and white, don't worry. Sounds so nice.
We're putting the banner on right now?
Yes, we're putting on the band. I told you we're going to spice up our footage, bro.
Okay.
Huh? No, we didn't forget.
So what's going on here? We're clay barring?
Yes, so we're clay barring right now, and then once we're here,
Clay
I'm
bar.
gonna tell you straight up. So what you're gonna do is grab the banner, and you're gonna. It's gonna be like a straight line right here, right? You're gonna drop it at this corner. That's how you know you got straight. So that's corner to corner. All right, so you're gonna pick it up. Follow my lead, daddy. Now pick it up. Pick up the corner.
Okay.
Send me that back piece.
Yes.
Yeah. We're gonna hover it over the glass.
Okay.
Put a little tension on it, pull on it a little bit, right?
Okay.
And you're gonna aim this side at the corner. Does that make sense?
Aim on this side at the corner.
Drop to the corner.
Huh?
You messed up already?
Dude, I don't know what the hell I'm doing. It's my first time, so.
Easiest part to do.
Nah, this is one of the hard things to do, man.
Okay.
Right?
You don't have to spit on it or anything?
Good.
So we're gonna start from the bottom. Put your squeegee right here, across. Right? Press it up.
Like right here?
Yeah, and drag it across.
Drag it across.
Yeah.
All the way.
Yep. Stop right there. Yeah. We always leave a bit of room right here so we can play with it. So
Okay, gotcha.
now you're gonna make sure that you're gonna cover this and all that.
Okay.
Up.
Like that.
Stop right there, yeah.
Okay.
And that one, you can actually just press up the rest of the way. No, like go upwards.
Oh, like
Yeah.
this?
Yep.
Wow, I'm a professional. Hire me, guys. Oh, yeah?
Now you're certified.
Hell yeah.
Oh yeah.
Follow me, guys. Follow me. So if you guys don't follow Premium Autostyling yet, and you don't know about their store, you could buy a bunch of decals, vinyl overlays, all this good stuff on their website, premiumautistyling.com. And the cool thing is that I have a discount code for you guys to use. It's LilPPAlex69 for 30% off. I don't know when that deal is gonna end, so if you guys want something or you wanna take a look at it, make sure you check it out. The link is in the description. Now here's some stuff like, oh look, we got some GTR stuff right here. This might be a pin.
You should put it on my car.
We could put it on, you. It's a pin.
No, on my
You
car.
want
Oh, on me?
You want to put it on you? You can put
I'll
it on
be
you.
a
GTR emblems, overlays, just a bunch of everything. Look, Mustang boys. Mustang Boy stuff right here.
Johnny, you need one.
If you want to rep premium, boom, we got that over there. There's a bunch of stuff, man. They got everything on their website. So like I said, if you guys want to check it out, premiumautostyling.com, code LilPPAlex69, 30% off. Let's go.
Down here, there.
Yeah, no, it won't fit.
I thought you just wasted that. Nah, I got watch. I'm gonna reuse it. Watch.
Just put it on the door.
Right here, just a little cart right here. Just there you go. Right there. We have to put the X sneakerhead in the bay, bro.
All the time. Got blacked out, don't worry about it. Get rid of it.
Make sure it doesn't lift. Wow. Yeah. Dude, that looks... Is everything center? Is everything good?
Look good?
Yeah.
Dude, it feels so good.
What's going there? Premium?
Yeah, we're putting a premium auto styling logo right here. Other side will have peaches, but Colin got me a new one. The ABG Hunter. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
What'd you get him?
ABG Hunter.
ABGs, you know where to tap
Stupid.
in, shoot the DMs. Your boy's single.
There we go, baby.
1, 2.
Wow, guys, I cannot believe it. It is done. Blue Raspberry by Ava? Actually, I don't know. Blue Raspberry. I'll leave the name right here. What do you guys think? Comment down below. The homies and I are out here at Hobbytown. Your boys are trying to get into some RC racing, RC drifting. I stopped at a store in San Jose, found some cool stuff, so I figured, you know what, while we're out here in SoCal, let's go ahead and check out the hobby store and see if we find anything. Yeah, let me know what you guys think about the color. This thing looks so crazy to me. I don't know if I got it on camera, like, bro, I'm so happy. I love this thing. Woo! Woo! Again, Colin. Again. Woo!
You know how the suspense is, like when you're at a
roller
coaster, and they go here.
There's so many different things in this store. I don't even know where to start, guys. We just talked to them for like 10-15 minutes about RC cars, and they're explaining so many different things about them. They're like real cars. It's kind of crazy. Look at this, 900 bucks for this. And they're super pricey too. You got different tires you can use. I think each one does something different. You got paint. You could paint your car. Let me know if you guys would like to see anything like this on this channel. I'm learning, so I would be starting from, you know, ground one basically. But I think it'd be cool to, you know, get into something different. And if you guys enjoy it, you know, that's a win-win right there. Oh, what is that?
You gotta build it. It's like those models.
Model car?
Too.
Let me see.
McLaren Senna.
Which one?
The McLaren Senna.
Nissan GTR, $699 for this one. And some of them even go up to what, like 80 miles an hour? Is that what he's saying? I think it's this one.
Yeah.
80 miles an hour. Do you guys comprehend how fast that is? Like this thing right here, 80 miles an hour. I don't even know how I would be able to like drive that. That's crazy.
Dude, I saw on Instagram some guy was like driving out on the freeway, and it was like
Really?
cars somewhere in LA, I think.
Dude, this is crazy. And then you got different shells. I think most of them come like this, where it's clear. You have to cut it out, paint it, paint it, and do all that. RPF ones. Guys, what wheel setup should we go with? Oh my. That's a Corvette.
Yeah. You can tell?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
From here, that's why. Corvette shell. Shout out to Hobbytown USA for the love, giving us the knowledge, because there's a lot that goes into this. And like I said, I'm starting off and I don't know what I'm doing. Yeah, for our train track. We're building a train track in the crib, right, Colin?
That'd be so fun.
Dude, they got
Dude, yeah,
pieces.
we could literally do it. It's
$7
$7 for one piece.
$7. Yo,
Just get the whole box and then go through the whole house.
bro, that's so expensive. Oh, they twist.
This is fancy, dude. They better have the train that makes real smoke. Peep the controller game.
Like some Call of Duty shit.
Dude, look how expensive. Dude, look how
$600, but it must be really good.
I guess.
I guess. Look, we could fly planes.
Blur that
Oh my! All right, we're headed home now. Time to get the GTR back safely. Let's go. Woo! We are back home safe now, and before this video ends, I think I need to give you guys some proper B-roll of the car. Now it is a little bit darker, so it's not gonna be like 100% perfect, but we are working with wet media on a cinematic video. So if you guys want to see that, make sure you follow him right here. Right here. And you'll also see it on his channel. But for now, cue the cinematic.